Hello Vivekians, welcome to day 4 of School from Home program. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. Here is the Chandni ma'am with your next work of English. Before starting today's work, first of all let's take a recap that we have done yesterday. So students, as you know, yesterday Pooja ma'am explained you grammar topic that is homonyms. Here homonyms means two or more words having same spelling and pronunciation but different meanings. So this is all about yesterday's work. Now I'm going to start today's work. Students, did you remember this topic has been explained by your English teacher in your online class? Today I will explain you this topic again. So students, let's start today's work. Today I am going to explain you the next topic that is articles. So first of all, I will explain you the meaning and concept of articles. As you already know that there are three types of articles, a and the. And the meaning of article is, it is a word that describes a noun. It is used before the noun to show if it is specific or not. Here, articles are of two types. The first one is definite article. In this, we will use the word the. In this example, the Tribune is a famous newspaper. So as you know, here we are just talking about a famous newspaper and the name of that newspaper is also given, that is Tribune. When we talk about a particular thing, at that time what we will use? We will use the word before that word. Okay, and the second one is indefinite article. In indefinite article, it contains a and an. The first is a boy and the second is an insect. First of all, we will talk about a and an. Here, a and an have the same meaning and both are indefinite articles, and the difference depends on the sound at the beginning of the next word. So, when the next word starts with a consonant sound, what we will do? We will write a before that word. As you can see in this example, a book. Here, when we call a word book, we are getting consonant sound from B. So, what we will do? We will write a before that word. And the rest of the examples are also there. A car. We will write a before the car word. A frog. A lemon. And the next is, when the next word starts with a vowel sound, what we will do? We will write an before that word. For example, an apple. As you can see that while calling the word apple, what we are getting? We are getting a vowel sound, and a is also one of the vowel. As you know, there are 5 kinds of vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Okay, and a, we are getting a sound a na. So before that, what we will write? We will write an. And the next examples are an umbrella. In this word, you can see that we are using the alphabet U na, but we are getting the sound of vowel A. So that's why we have written an before that, because A is a vowel. Okay, and the next examples are an egg, an insect. So students, you have to be very careful because the sound of the letter is very important. Only because of this, we came to know that what we have to write before that word. Either we have to write a or an. And the next is the. The is used in front of all nouns, that is singular, plural, countable and uncountable, to describe someone or something specific or unique. It is a definite article. There are some examples for you, with the help of which you will came to know exact. The earth, the world, the sky, the air, the weather, the internet. As you know, all these words are specific or unique. Earth, world, sky, air, weather, internet. These all words are unique or specific now. So before that word, what we will do? We will write the before that word. And we use the with something that is unique or there is only one. For example, the sun, the moon. Sun and moon both are unique and both are one. So what we will do? We will write the before that word. Next is, second time when you talk about the same noun, then at that time also we will write the before that word. I bought a shirt. The shirt is red. In first sentence we have talked about a shirt now. In the second sentence also again, then what we will do? We will write the before that word. Okay, and the next is when directions, where with the directions also what we will do? We will write the before that word. When we talk about the cardinal points now, before that word we also use the word. For example, the west, the north, the east, the south. Here what we are doing, we are just describing a particular directions na, and we are talking about a particular direction. At that time what we will do, we will write the before that word. Now read the following sentences related to the play. Once they lived a wealthy king. The king always made sure they were given a good meal and money. What an ungrateful fellow! I'll teach him a lesson. The king asked the younger beggar to go along the path first. He gave the younger beggar a pumpkin. He carried the pumpkin for some distance. As you can see, this in all these sentences, what they have used all the articles. Read the sentences again. Did you notice that a and an are used with singular nouns? Here, a and an are also called indefinite articles and they do not refer to any particular thing or person. And remember one thing more, that an is used in front of a name beginning with the vowel to make the word easier to say. So students, be careful because the sound of the letter is very important. As you can see in this example, a house and r. Okay? In a house, we are getting consonant sound now. So as I have told you earlier that with consonant sound, what we will do, we will write a before that word. Okay, but in word r, h is a silent na, and what we are getting a vowel sound. So what we will write and before that word. And the next example is an uncle. Here by calling the word uncle, we are getting the sound of vowel na. So as I have told you earlier also, that before that what we will use, and before that word. Okay, and the next is university. Here the beginning of the word university is u, which is one of the vowel. ठीक है, but we are getting the sound of consonant. हमें sound किसकी आ रही है, consonant word की sound आ रही है. So what we will do, we will write a before that word. So students, have you noticed that in the above given sentences, we have used the when we are talking about a specific person or a thing. For example, the younger beggar, the pumpkin and the king, etc. With all these words, what we have used the, because all these are a particular person or thing, and the is only the definite article. So students, let's talk more about articles. There are some times when we do not use any article. For example, the king had advisors and servants in his court. Here, both advisor and servant words are not a particular people. Okay, and these are the only general statements for anybody. That's why we will not use any article here. And the next is, we also do not use articles with proper nouns. हम जो है proper nouns के साथ भी articles use नहीं करते हैं. For example, I went to Puducherry last summer. I'm learning how to speak French. Here Puducherry and French both are proper nouns na, so we will not use articles with them. And we usually do not use articles when we talk about the parts of the day, that is in the evening, in the afternoon and in the morning. For example, stars twinkle at night. We eat breakfast every morning. We are just talking about the particular part of the day ना, that stars जो हैं वो कब twinkle करते हैं, night में, और हम breakfast कब करते हैं, every morning. So here what we are doing, we are just talking about the part of the day ना, so at that time we will not use articles. Okay, and the next, we also do not use articles when we talk about the sports and games. जब हम sports और games की बात करते हैं तब भी हम articles use नहीं करते हैं. For example, he plays football. I love swimming. So in both these sentences, we are just talking about the sport and the game na, so we will not use article here. Okay students, now let's start. Let's try 6. Filling the blanks using articles a and the in the story given below. One hot day, dash aunt went to dash river to drink water. Here, as you can see that I have written an before the ant word. Why? Because by calling the word and, what we are getting the vowel sound now, so that's why I have written and before that. And in the next, by calling the word river, what we are getting consonant sound, so that's why what we have written before that. Okay, but she fell into dash river and could not come out. Now who will tell me that why I have written the word before the river? Okay, I will tell you. As I have told you earlier, that when we will talk about the same noun second time, then what we will do, we will write the word before that noun. Okay students, first filling the blank I have done for you. Now rest of the filling the blanks you have to do it yourself. Next is, let's try 7. Read the sentence, underline the correct option. One has been done for you. The first one is I enjoy playing basketball, the basketball. Here we will choose basketball. Okay, and the second is I am studying a mathematics or mathematics. Here we will underline mathematics words. Okay, because mathematics is a proper noun, as you know that with proper noun we do not use any article. Now rest of the sentences you have to underline yourself. And the next is let's try it. Filling the blanks using articles a and the. Write NA. If no article is required, then circle the proper nouns. Sentences. First filling the blank is dash Swedish is a difficult language to learn. Here Swedish is a proper noun, and as you know that with proper noun we do not use any article, so that's why I have written NA before that. Okay students, now rest of the filling the blanks you have to do it yourself. This is all for today. And there are some instructions for you students. If you don't have book or fair notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Image of each and every page is being provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the pattern.